The video opens with a quick, snappy intro featuring the OnePlus logo. A voiceover enthusiastically announces, "Meet the OnePlus Nord N30 5G, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design." The screen transitions to a rotating 3D model of the phone, highlighting its slim and sleek design. The voiceover continues, "Crafted for modern life, the Nord N30 5G is as stylish as it is powerful." The video zooms in on the nitro blue variant to showcase its aesthetic appeal. Next, a close-up shot of the phone's 6.49-inch high-resolution display is shown. A quick demonstration of various apps and video playback on the screen emphasizes its clarity and vibrant colors. The battery icon fills up on screen with animated graphics to represent the long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. "Stay powered longer with fast charging," the narration adds as the fast charging feature is highlighted with a quick battery percentage jump. The video cuts to an animation of the Snapdragon 485G processor, illustrating its speed and efficiency with small graphics of network signals and app icons zooming by. Powered by the Snapdragon 485G processor, seamless browsing and multitasking are a breeze, the voiceover states. Close-up images showcase the 50MP main camera and the 16MP front camera. A quick montage of high-quality photos and selfies is displayed, followed by video clips shot using the phone. "Capture life's moments brilliantly with a 50MP main camera and shoot perfect selfies with a 16MP front camera," narrates the voiceover. The video concludes with a short recap as the phone gently rotates in focus again. The OnePlus Nord N30 5G, form, function, and freedom. Available now. The OnePlus logo reappears with a call to action, "Get yours today." The video fades out with upbeat music in the background.